Hello and welcome to this helpful tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable the serif font in the Wikipedia app on your Android phone. If you prefer more traditional, book-style text, this simple change can make reading easier on the eyes. Let's get started with the steps. First, open the Wikipedia app on your Android device. Next, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the More option. Then, from the menu that appears, tap on Settings. After that, tap on App Theme. Finally, choose the Serif option from the list. As soon as you select it, the font style throughout the app will change to serif instantly, giving a classic and elegant look to all articles. And that's it. Now you can enjoy reading Wikipedia articles with a serif font. If you found this tutorial useful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more helpful tech tips.